Welcome to GPI Cars and a walk around video of our 2014 Audi A3 S Line Quattro. This car comes with a 2-litre petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 168 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and the car has full service history and has covered just 43,000 miles since new. This particular colour is the metallic Daytona grey and looks in good condition for the mileage of the car. As we look inside, you see that nice clean interior there. The seats are the S Line seats, which are also half leather on the outside. You also have the armrests and 2 cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for the satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control as well as cruise control, which is just down there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And then automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. Being an SUV, the Q3 is a great car for the family, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. Easy access if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and you also have some air vents and a 12-volt socket there for the rear passengers too. And it's good to see the car's still got the original Audi carpet floor mats. As we open the tailgate on the Q3, you've got a good sized boot there, really practical, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you also have a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.